Racing just is started. We have Joshua Slapter. Break quickly to start. Down on the inside, Best Asset. And on the outside comes Precious Fairhaven. Victory Joe. Down on the inside now is Good Humor. Then followed over by Mr. Integrity. Meadowlad comes next. Luna Rosa, Don't Explain. Then next online is Rocking Miss. Racing third last is New Golden City. Race Adancer second last, while Grand Homer racing in 14th by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Joshua Slapter takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Best Asset in second. Victory Joyce racing in third. Then next online is Good Humor moving up on the outside. Preciosa moving up now is Meadowlad. Fairhaven comes next. Mr. Integrity, Luna Rosa, Race Dancer, Don't Explain comes next. Rocking Miss, New Golden City, while Grand Homer is still racing in 14th. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Joshua Slapter by about 2 lengths. And in second is Victory Joe moving up on the outside. Now is Meadowlad, Precious in the middle. Good Humor is down on the inside as they swing for home. We have Joshua Slapter via the length moving up on the outside. Victory Joe. Good Humor is down on the inside. Meadowlad, Mr. Integrity. Last 50 meters, we have Joshua Slapter, Good Humor, and Pilot. It's a close finish between Good Humor, Meadowlad, Joshua Slapter.
All right, there you